Repeat this affirmation, visualizing a constant stream of wealth flowing towards you. Release any struggle or resistance associated with money and embrace the ease with which it can come to you. Imagine money as a river, constantly flowing and seeking its level. By removing any dams or blockages in your mind, you allow this river of abundance to flow freely into your life, nourishing every area. I'm a magnet for success, attracting wealth and prosperity in countless ways. Repeat this, envisioning yourself as a powerful magnet, drawing wealth and success towards you with irresistible force. Believe in your ability to attract opportunities, resources, and financial abundance. Just as a magnet effortlessly attracts metal, you possess the innate power to draw wealth and success into your experience. Embrace this power knowing that you are a magnet for all good things. I am deeply grateful for all the abundance in my life, and I'm open to receiving even more. Cultivating gratitude is key to unlocking the flow of abundance. By appreciating what you already have, you create a vibration of gratitude, attracting even more blessings into your life.